Many things arise when we think of immigration to Canada, and yet many prospects rely on your situation or your reason behind immigration, like where you want to immigrate in Canada. Are you a student or an investor? You want to immigrate, or any of your relatives lives there, or you are looking for further studies in Canada, or you wish to start a business firm in Canada. Today we are going to be talking about the top 5 tips to get PR in Canada. Before we go any further, remember to smash that like button. Also, please subscribe to our channel if you have not done that yet. Number 5. Study visa. Canada has a high-quality teaching system with an extensive curriculum and practical orientation for every discipline. Hence, it is the preferred choice of migration to the country. For a study visa in Canada, the applicant should be accepted by a university for studies, and the process involves the submission of a statement of purpose of your education, a letter of recommendation, and essays about your interest in the course along with your certificates and degrees. After acceptance in the university based on your credentials, the process of applying for a student permit starts, for which the candidate can apply only on the Citizenship and Immigration Canada website and attach the university's acceptance letter for records along with all the other visa requirements. Number 4. Work permit with a job offer. If you are skilled and have received a job letter from a Canadian employer, then you can choose this category as a valid option for migration. The Canadian government is keen on making employers hire the locals of the region. Thus, the onus of proving that you are required for the job position falls on the employer and you both. The employer should submit an application of the Labour Market Impact Assessment to the Employment and Social Development of Canada to support your case. Further, you should also prove that you will help the Canadian economy productively by providing proof of your education and work experience. The downside of the work permit is that it is allotted for employment in one profile and work under one employer, and in case the candidate wishes to change the employer or position of work, then the application needs to be approved by the authorities. Number 3. Business Investor Program. If you have money, then through this pathway, it is very easy to get PR in Canada. This category is suitable for both business owners and business managers in foreign countries looking to set up a business in Canada. For this, you can apply through provincial business immigration programs. Number 2. Provincial Nominee Program. The Provincial Nominee Program is for those who were unable to meet the requirements of Express Entry. Canada PNP is the easiest way to immigrate here. Canada grants the right to its provinces to invite skilled people and nominate them for immigrating to the country based on the occupation in demand and labor market requirements in that province. Mainly, there are 2 ways of attaining provincial nomination. Either the candidate can use the Canada Express Entry linked models, or they can directly apply to the province for selection. The different province has different eligibility model. After getting selected, the candidate is eligible for 600 bonus points of provincial nomination in the Express Entry immigration model. Number 1. Express Entry Program. Ever since the Express Entry system has been introduced in 2015, it has become an immensely popular immigration stream. Thanks to its easy migration processes. It is also the fastest way for skilled workers to migrate to Canada for under 6 months only. Hence, it is considered the easiest way to get a PR in Canada. Immigration under this category is undertaken through the point-based evaluation process is done by using a comprehensive ranking system tool. This tool helps calculate the score of the candidate based on key factors like age, language competency, work experience, education, etc. The eligible score is decided by the IRCC. The applicants who meet the desired score are considered suitable enough to immigrate and obtain Canada PR visa. Accordingly, they are issued the invitation to apply. The Express Entry program is popularly known as the easiest way to immigrate to Canada. Recently, the Express Entry draw score was announced on 5 January 2022. The score was 808. Once the candidate obtains the score, they can easily start with the Canada PR visa process. There are 3 subcategories for immigration to Canada through the Express Entry program. Federal Skilled Workers Program. Federal Skilled Trades Program Canadian. Experience Class. Recently, the channels of immigration to Canada have further smoothened through the Canada Multi-Year Immigration Program. It states that Canada will have 50,000 new PR in its domain through the express entry model by the end of the year 2022. That concludes the video, folks. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to check out other videos on our channel, you might like them. I'll see you in the next video.